Hey guys, after traveling around the world with this drone for a whole year, I want to show you why I think it's the best travel drone on the market. You just saw was all shot by us on the Mavic Pro, and I want to give you 3 reasons why I think it's the best drone for traveling with. My first reason is its size and compactability. There's nothing else with this good of a quality camera that will pack up so small. Another good benefit is the compact remote. This thing is also quite compact and small, which helps when you are traveling around. The cool thing is you can fit this drone in almost any photography bag that you may have already. My number 2 reason is because of the 4K quality camera, and also the fact that this drone can actually take raw photos. The biggest benefit is the fact that it's got 4K video. For us, this is critical. It's not going to be as good as your Phantom Pros, which are a top level professional videography, but if you're traveling, you've got to have a compromise, and for me this is very good video that this thing produces for its size. The other benefit with the video is the fact that it can shoot in 60 frames per second, so you can get some slow-mo waterfalls or running. For me, a key factor for the Mavic Pro is the fact that I can shoot photos in RAW, and this means I can get a whole lot more data out of my photos. I can basically get a lot better picture with the Mavic Pro than I would any other drone of this size. If you look at my Instagram profile, you'll see what kind of photos you can get with a Mavic Pro. Number 3, the last thing is its build quality. This thing is very solid. We've had this up in some very high winds. It manages to cope very well. So that's my top 3 reasons. If you guys are keen to buy one of these for yourself, have a look at the links below. I've put a couple of links down below. I would suggest going through the DJI store. You can then get the DJI Refresh, which means if you crash your drone, which I've done, you can put it through the DJI Refresh, and it's basically like a little insurance policy for your drone. So safe flying, make sure you check the rules, and enjoy.